It can make the ah sound, as in cat, hat, and apple. Ah, ah. E is the letter. It can make the eh sound, as in elephant, bed, letter. Eh. I is the letter. It can make the I sound, as in pig, dish, 6. I. Ah. O is the letter. It can make the ah sound, as in frog, sock, dog. Ah. U is the letter. It can make the sound, as in duck, bug, skunk. A. A is the letter. It can make the A sound, as in cake, ape, gate. A. E. E is the letter. It can make the E sound, as in seal, tree, feet. E. I. I is the letter. It can make the I sound, as in kite, ice, hive. I. O. O is the letter. It can make the O sound, as in nose, bone, rope. O. U or oo. U is the letter. It can make the U sound or the oo sound, as in Q,